What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download GTA 5 for free. And wait, I know what you're thinking, that it will be pirated or full of virus, but no, it isn't, because it is from Epic Games officials and is on their website as well. So without any further ado, let's start the video. First open your browser and type in Epic Games and hit enter. After that, click on the first link and make sure that it's their official website. Now you have to find GTA 5 in these games. I will show you two locations of it. After finding it, click on it. Scroll down. Here you can see that the game is totally free. Stay tuned till the end of the video to know the last date of this game being free. Now click on Get. Wait a few minutes for it to load the game. And here, as you can see, the price is $0. As I said in the start of the video, the game is totally free. Make sure you click this box. Now click on Order. After that, this page will pop up. Click on the first box to open Epic's launcher. If you have already downloaded it, skip to the timestamp shown on the screen to continue your process of installing GTA 5, or click on the second one to download it. In this video, I will show you how to download it as well. So make sure you smash that like button and let's continue. As you can see at the bottom left of the screen that the downloading has been started. Double click to open it and click on Run. This window will pop up. Now click on Install. Give it some time for it to install and be patient. After that, click on the first box to open your launcher. A small window will pop up on your browser. Click on Open Epic Games Launcher link. After that, launcher will pop up. Wait a few seconds for it to add your game to your library. Your game has successfully been added. Now click on the tiny button under your game's cover that says Install. This window will pop up. Check the box and click Accept. Now select your installation disk. Wait, make sure you have at least 72 to 89 GB free on your disk to continue your installation. After selecting it, click on the Install. The installation will start. After the installation process, you can enjoy your game. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like the video and smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification. Thanks for watching.